In this video, you'll learn how to install Cloudflare WARP on a Windows computer. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your online security and privacy through the Cloudflare WARP application. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google search engine. You can do this by typing google.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This action will take you to the main Google search page. Once you are on the Google homepage, locate the search bar at the center of the screen. Click inside the search bar and type Cloudflare WARP. After entering the search term, press the Enter key or click the search icon to initiate the search. In the search results, look for the official Cloudflare link. This typically appears near the top of the results list. Click on the link that mentions Cloudflare to be directed to their official website. On the Cloudflare website, find the section that offers the download for Cloudflare WARP. This may be listed as Download Cloudflare WARP. Click on this link to proceed to the download section. Once you are on the downloads page, look for the option labeled Download Cloudflare One Client Stable Releases. Click on this option to view the available downloads for different operating systems. Next, locate the Windows option on the page. This should be clearly marked as Windows. Click on this link to proceed to the Windows-specific download options. After clicking on the Windows option, find the button that states Download Latest Stable Release. Clicking this will begin the download of the Cloudflare WARP installer file. Keep in mind that the size of this file may vary, so ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Windows Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. This will open the File Explorer. In Windows Explorer, go to the Downloads folder where your downloaded files are typically stored. Locate the Cloudflare installer file, which should have a name indicating it is related to Cloudflare WARP. After finding the installer, double-click on it to launch the installation process. This action will open the Cloudflare WARP setup wizard. When the setup wizard appears, click on the Next button to continue. This step will guide you through the installation process. Upon reaching the installation options, you will see a button labeled Install. Click on this button to begin installing Cloudflare WARP on your Windows computer. Wait for the installation process to complete, as this may take a few moments. After the installation finishes, you may receive a confirmation message indicating that Cloudflare WARP has been successfully installed. At this point, you can choose to start using the application right away or finish the setup. If you would like to try Cloudflare WARP yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will give you quick access to the application if needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.